Good afternoon. It's the Frazierhughes Experience Realtor, and I just got done showing this house over in the Cave Spring area, Hidden Valley High School, right around the corner, to my clients. They've left, but I wanted to stay and show you the bathroom upstairs, which has been completely remodeled. It's awesome. I'm loving it. I'm digging it. Check it out right here. Her countertops right here. So when you're getting ready, here's your glass shower. There's me selling your home, helping you find a home, and the bathtub. Pretty awesome, huh? All right, so there's more. Wait, there's more. How's your Saturday going? Are you staying hot? Eventually, the heat will go away, but me selling your home and helping you find a home is here to stay. The experience is real. All right, here's the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, granite countertops. Love these cabinets and the space that it provides you while you are hosting guests and making your meals. But wait. Check out this gazebo outside with TV. Everybody is asking, is the TV waterproof, Frazier? Is it waterproof? Check this out, brand new deck, gazebo, and TV. Pretty cool, huh? So anyways, when it comes to selling your home and finding your home, I really appreciate you thinking about me, and thanks for taking some time today to watch the video during your day. Hope you're doing okay. Stay positive. Message me, call me, text me, or hey, tell a friend. Hey, Frazier will help you with your home to sell it or find a house. And until next time, don't forget, the experience is real.